Hi everyone, this is our presentation and I'm going to introduce my team called Moléculas en Acción. I'm the captain, Angélica Michelle González Trigo, and my partners are Victoria Iturriaga Navarro and Fátima Edith González Suárez. Our consultant is Pedro Daniel González and we are from Universidad de Guadalajara, High School number 5. Well, since ancient times, substances such as salt, sugar, and vinegar have been used to preserve foods. Currently, an accessible, non-toxic, and effective solution is being sought to preserve a greater variety of foods containing carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins. The challenge is to find a homemade preservative, easy to obtain and use, that is safe for health. The proposal is to create an innovative preservative with antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, taking advantages of common ingredients such as capsaicin. The first one that we investigate is the honey. So the Egyptians and Greeks used honey as a natural preservative due to its high sugar content and antibacterial properties. Traces of honey have been found in Egyptian tombs dating back thousands of years. So we also investigate that the salt and vinegar have also been used as preservatives due to their antimicrobial properties and their ability to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. The first one is the vinegar, that it has been used since ancient time in cooking and medicine, both for preserving food, for cleaning wounds, and improving digestion. Vinegar is known for its antibacterial, antioxidant, and digestive properties. Its acidity helps inhibit the growth of microorganisms, making it natural preservative. Additionally, some types of vinegar, such as apple cider vinegar, contain polyphenols and minerals that can benefit health by improving digestion and helping control blood sugar. The second one is the salt, that is a mineral composed primarily of sodium chloride, essential for life and widely used in food. In addition to being a fundamental condiment, it has been key to food preservation through history, as it absorbs moisture and creates a hostile environment for the growth of bacteria and fungi. Some problems with the conservators are associated with some health risks are those in the sulfite group, which includes several inorganic sulfides and benzoic acid, its derivatives, which can cause asthma attacks characterized by breathing difficulties, such as shortness of breath and wheezing and causing fits, only in sensitive individuals. And dried fruits can fruits like potato-based products and wine. So we decided to use capsaicin because it's easy to obtain from common materials, which in this case is the habanero paper. And in the food industry, capsaicin is being studied as a natural preservative, reducing the need for chemical additives.
Capsaicin, extract from chili peppers such as habanero and chile de árbol, is a natural preservative that helps inhibit the growth of bacteria in foods, especially meats, sauce, and pickles. Its effectiveness increased when combined with vinegar, salt, or natural antioxidants such as rosemary. It can be applied as a powder, extract, or oil, ensuring even distribution. It is stable at room temperature but should be protected from light and moisture. However, its use requires caution as it can cause irritation, so it is important to follow food safety regulations. As objectives to create a natural preservative, we have the next three. Capsaicin's effectiveness depends on the chili variety due to the presence of the other compounds. Ethanolic extracts are more effective due to the capsaicin's hydrophic nature, and different bacteria respond differently to capsaicin-based treatments.
We decided to divide the work into 3 sessions. In the first session, the capsaicin extract was made by breaking up habanero peppers and immersing them in alcohol. This was left to the rest of a few days until the next session. In the second session, apple juice was made by breaking up and blending the apples. Afterwards, everything was strained and divided into 4 jars. To the first, sodium benzoate was added. Into the second, potassium sorbate. To the third, capsaicin. And to the last, non-preservative was added. In the third section, we took photos of the progress of the samples to observe bacterial growth in them and to check if capsaicin is an effective preservative in food. Results. In conclusion, sodium benzoate, there was no smell. It changed its color and there was no significant growth of bacteria. Natural juice. It had fermented smell. There was a lot of bacteria growth. Capsaicin. It has no unpleasant odor but had smell of capsaicin. There was no evidence of bacteria growth. Potassium sorbate. Neutral odor was maintained, with sweet smell, slight bacteria growth, and registration of microorganisms. Thank you. This is our project.